Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will talk to you about how to promote CPA offers in Picoworkers. This is a tutorial step by step. But first of all, we need to talk to you about what is CPA. Because if you don't know what is CPA, well, basically you are lost. I will remember in the description we have several links, and with that link, well, basically you can do a good CPA, and basically certainly promote cost per action CPA offers can be an effective way to earn commission. Well, let's start with some strategies. For example, you can use Facebook for that, YouTube search, Instagram account bios, solo ads, Quora, Twitter, Pinterest, Picoworkers, Reddit, and a lot of things. Basically, CPAs are commissions for selling things. That's it. It's really simple. First of all, we need to do this. It's basically search Picoworkers. You can see you have a few options. What you need to select is basically the first one. Remember always to, see and verify the link. For example, here, Picoworkers. You can see the beginner. It's basically where the world works, an online marketplace that connects freelancer and business owner around the world with easy-to-do, affordable tags. Browse get categories, digital marketing, digital writing, graphic design, presentation, photo and video, mobile apps, web development, SEO, all the kits. For example, here, one marketplace, multiple ways to get work done. Set filters and target your ideal freelancer. Choose a targeting zone or exclusive ones countries while posting a job with many ticks. It's a great form of hire people. For example, if you need a job and that job is, little easy or something like that, you have a lot of options here. Well, let's continue with the video. For example, here, we go to where the words work and get a start. We wait like 1 second, and we need to basically flip this. It's type your response here, type your response here. It's real name, email, password, confirm password, nickname, select a country, and I'm working and an employer. If you want to be a freelancer and an employer, and you want to be a worker and a worker. I agree to export terms, send the news 7 via per email. And we need to fill this, basically. And when you do that, basically you are here. I hit save. I will build for you a really cool and professional website, micro jobs, gifts, super offers, wallet, employer, freelancer. For example, I recommend you to do this. For example, here we can see my server offers. Here you can view the statistics for complete offer servers, as well as test list of all the start and complete stats. Static pending payment from server and offer are included. You can navigate to get the starter offer or add a review to get complete one. With here the wallet, with a large process within 10 bonus days of placing requests. You can click here and find a job. And here you have the jobs. New offer, complete an offer, watch video, 5 seconds, but that's SEO promote content, SEO plus promote content engine. You can see they have a lot of options, and that options, they are really good. I suggest you to do, for example, a website, and that website you can basically do CPA, and you can win a lot of money. For example, here you can put micro jobs or other type of jobs. That's basically our companies. For example, you need to know how CPI have a page. You can use this page, and it's similar web. A flawless analysis for your competitive landscape. You can analyze whatever you want in this page. You only need to put your page here, and basically that's it. And for example, here you have the option of start your free trial. In the description, we have several links. In that links, you can do it. And you can add up other stuff. Believe me, that's awesome. For example, here, if we scroll down, basically here we can see the must-have platforms when you make market online, get traffic matter for your browser, get our free extension. They define a ranking of the digital world, reflecting over 10 years of invest. Similar web digital run is the definite measure of the digital world, and it's released on Microsoft. For example, you can see Digital 100 website ranking. That page, it's really good. You only don't have the option for example, do the CPA. You can do other things with that platform. I recommend you to use for the very benefits you can, because it's a good platform. For example, here we see we have a lot of options for do the CPA. For example, here you click on it and basically you fill of all of this. For example, your date, secret questions, your city or city closest to you, secret answer, postal code. That are really, really, really good page. I suggest you to do it. And for example, here we have the supers and offers. You can click on here. And I said before, basically here you can do it wherever you want. For example, here if you go to offer and supers, basically you are here. And here are for hard persons. For example, I will create 100 that follow backlinks to the offers. Basically it's for a persons you construct and that person basically do the job for you. And it's really, really good. So for example, I will promote your name on my 4 million bit Pinterest profile. You can see if, for example, he have price 1 and delivery time 1 day, max reservation 5. And you can see this guy basically can promote your things in that page, but I suggest you to, see, because, for example, this is really, 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 really low, and you need to investigate what is that woman, because it's a little dangerous. You have other options here. For example, a professional and fresh logo, and in SEO. I really recommend this page because you can have options for doing money. For example, in Gits, you can put hire Gits, Git requests, put Git requests, and my Gits. For example, if you want to post a Git, you only click here and fill in your names and the title, the category, select a subcategory, budget, deadline, overview, image, questions, and others. For example, if you want to modify your profile, you only click on here in profile, account settings, and you can see you need to put here your name, your email, your gender, your date of birth, your country, your postal code, display in billing apps, other templates in billing receipts. Here you can put micro jobs, show jobs, show micro jobs, show server, and offers. This page is really, really useful. I suggest you to do it. For example, here you can put your image, and I suggest you to do that too, because if someone see you, if you don't have, basically a profile photo, that person can suspect of you because you are weird and suspect. And that's it, basically. I suggest you to investigate, to dedicate time, and that's it. And remember, be patient and persevere. If you do it for a long time, you will succeed. And something important, the sky is the limit. Thanks for watching and subscribe.